their school. Is this last? Last school to choose. So for now, we're not yet decided. But to look this last school. Ganda, pang Christmas tree, oh.
크리스마스 트리.
This is the last school. What name of the school?
미쇼카.
Nishoka. Only one, only I like the second and the third one. I know. Am I right?
어, 야.
Not negative but mada. Only just okay. But I like the second and the third. Am I right? Third.
야, 세컨드 앤드 포스가. 네, ここが fifth.
Yeah. Second and fourth. Ito yung station na na sasakyan ni Shin. Saan ilalagay ang bike?
ないね.
Nay? Yan. Bike. Miyoshi Station. Ayan o, nakalagay. Miyoshi Station. Ayan. So, where is the Nay, bike? To put bike, Nay? Then this one. Train. Train station. Then bus. Bus station. Yeah. So, baka train ang sasakyan. Titignan pa namin kung may bike dito. To put the bike somewhere. Oh. Ganda oh.
Bus.
Ganda dito. Yung isang eskwelahan, ang hirap ng daanan. Bundok pa bundok eh. The other one like a real, like a mountain. Mountain. Ayan, pick up area, taxi pick up area. Ayun, may bike. Ayun, nakita rin namin. Ayan, dito ilalagay yung bike. Para makabiyahe si Shin papunta sa school niya.
ここに置いとくわ.
Ayan. So, maaga pa lang papasok na si Shin ng 6 o'clock. Sasakay ng train, tapos makakarating siya dito ng 7. Tapos mag-aantay siya ng 1 hour. Yung 1 hour na yun, yung mag-aaral siya. Para may time din siya sa pag-aaral. Baka kasi maganda rin. Ayan. Dito ilalagay. So, hindi na kailangan ng tataliin pa. Pero kung mga lakto, wala naman. O, ayan. Done! This is the other third school that we went. Very big in front have this one also good. Let's go. Ayan, meron siyang ganito. Malaki siya. Parang baseball ba yan? Soccer. Yan, mayroon din lagayan ng bike. Ayun. Pero may iba parang lagayan ng bike. Ito yung school na isa. Ayan. School na isa. Parang bagong gawa. Ang laki. Okay naman. Yan. Yeah, I think maganda dito.
ものづくりだからプロダクトコンテストみたいな感じかな。
Have contest?
ああエレクトリック、これはエレクトリックだね。エレクトリックで、これはなんだ、
Oh,
これクシャクシャ
ah. How about there, Fuji?
うん、ここもいい。
So, the other one is 30 minutes.
ワンナビカムワンナワーね。
Koko?
あ、違う違う、ここは30ミニッツ。多分車だと
ルート上を走行すると案内を開始します。
20ミニッツ。
Oh, 20 minutes take?
うん。
Oh, very ano, near. Dito na lang. Dito na lang tayo.